Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python language easily. First, install Python from its official website. Next, choose a suitable integrated development environment, or IDE, like VS Code, which offers excellent features for coding. Finally, begin by understanding basic syntax and fundamental data types to build a strong foundation. Once set up, focus on core concepts. Learn about variables, operators, and control flow statements such as if-else loops. Practice using functions and modules to organize your code effectively. Additionally, explore common data structures like lists, tuples, and dictionaries, as they are crucial for handling various types of information in your programs. Consistent practice is key to mastery. Work on small coding challenges regularly to reinforce your understanding. Begin building simple projects, like a basic calculator or a text-based game, to apply your new knowledge in practical scenarios. Consider collaborating on open-source projects to gain real-world experience and learn from others. To further your skills, explore advanced topics such as object-oriented programming and web development frameworks. Join online communities and forums for support, to ask questions, and to stay updated with the latest trends. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Continuous learning and engagement are vital for becoming a proficient Python developer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.